Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into BrettCoin's latest updates and price prediction for 2025. BrettCoin has been on a downward trend for the past few months. Right now, it's trading at $0.03, showing a 72% decline in the last 90 days and 60% in the past month. Many early investors who bought at a higher price are now facing losses, but there are signs of potential recovery. BrettCoin currently has a market cap of around $9 billion, with a total supply of 9 billion coins. Unlike meme coins with massive supplies like Pepe's 420 trillion, BrettCoin's limited supply makes it more attractive for long-term holding. Right now, it has reached a strong support level, meaning it could be setting up for a price reversal. Looking ahead, analysts and crypto experts predict that by the end of 2025, BrettCoin could reach its all-time high of $0.2. If the market turns bullish, BrettCoin could see significant gains. However, as always, the crypto market is unpredictable, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest crypto news and predictions. Let us know in the comments if you think BrettCoin will hit new highs in 2025. See you in the next one.